Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa full performance si Alexi Brooks sa ECO International 2025. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood yung kanyang performance, kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo ulit guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
Alexi May Kaiboso Brooks, Miss Eco, Philippines!
Ay, ang galing ni Miss Alexi. Ang ganda ng national costume niya, no?
Royal elegance honoring the eagle's majestic power.
Grabe si Miss Alexi. Grabe yung stage presence niya, no?
Dense forest of the eagle's fragile habitat.
Galing.
This costume while igniting hope for conservation.
Grabe yung confidence niya sa stage, no? Talagang overflowing yung kanyang charisma.
Maya advocacy. Her work for women's empowerment and holistic health.
Ang ganda ng national costume niya, yung details. Every small details ng kanyang national costume talagang work of art.
Her national costume. Advancing automatically to number one. Please give it up for Miss Eco.
Philippines! Eh, congrats! Ang galing! Ang ganda naman kasi eh. Diba? Nakaka-proud! Ang galing! Grabe! Ay, grabe bagay sa kanya yung evening gown niya, guys. Sumubrang pumagay sa skin tone ni Alexi. Grabe, ang sexy niya. Stunning. Napakaganda. Sobrang Latina. Bali yung pasarela coach trainer niya pala si CJ Apiasa. Tignan niyo naman. Kabog. Nang lalamo ng stage. Napakaganda. Napakagaling yan. Yung gusto ko yan. Grabe, gusto siya ng camera. Very telegenic sa screen si Alexi. Top 11! Philippines, syempre. Syempre naman.
Your topic is fashion that cares for the future.
Good evening, everyone. When we talk about the world we're living in right now, it is such a fast-paced world that we want convenience in a lot of things, especially when it comes to fashion. But we need to understand that fashion is not only about glamour or about luxury. It's about thinking about our environment and our contribution towards environment. At the end of the day, if we want to protect our nature and our environment, we need to stay sustainable, especially in fashion. Thank you so much.
Eh, ang galing niya, mic drop.
Short, straight.
Kumain ng mic si Alexi. Napakagaling.
Only two more.
Top 5 na.
The next contestant in the next country is very lucky. I can actually give you a little hint. It's a country that's very famous in beauty pageants.
Eh, of course, Philippines. Philippines?
Philippines!
Yes! Famous tayo eh. Eh, grabe si Alexi, no? Grabe yung kanya, no? Yung face card niya stand out talaga, pati yung gown niya.
What's one thing you hope has
Top five
changed
Q&A.
and why?
You know, if you want me to be realistic, climate change is impacting our world right now. And the only thing that we can do is to act towards it. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, we have the same mother, even if we came from different nations. And we in here are brothers and sisters right now. And our mother is asking for our help. So we must save our planet Earth and we must take care of our mother. Thank you so much.
Ang galing!
Thank you so much.
Napakagaling, kinikilabutan
The
ako
winner
guys. Sobrang galing.
Of Miss Eco International.
Philippines yan, syempre. Philippines
Miss
yan.
Eco International 2025 is the Philippines!
Oh my God! Galing ng Philippines, no?
The Philippines, our winner for the night.
Ito talaga yung pageant na hindi talaga bias, no?
2025.
Sobrang deserve ni Alexi May Brooks. Sobrang galing, sobrang ginalingan. Sobrang deserving. Eh, congratulations!
Thank you so
Nakaka-proud
much,
sobra.
everyone, and have a great night.
Eh, nakaka-proud! Ang galing-galing ni Miss Alexi May Brooks. Another crown for the Philippines! Alright, thank you guys for watching. And kung nagustuhan nyo ito, bigyan nyo ng malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye po!